Click on the link below to get price. The Gotrax 16-inch folding electric bike is a compact and versatile mode of transportation designed to cater to the needs of urban commuters and recreational cyclists alike. With a focus on practicality and ease of use, this electric bike presents an interesting option for those looking to navigate through city streets or enjoy leisurely rides in the park. At first glance, the bike's folding design stands out, making it highly portable and convenient for users with limited storage space. Weighing in at a manageable weight, the Gotrax can be easily transported in the trunk of a car or taken on public transit. The bike features a 16-inch wheel size, which contributes to its agile handling, making it well-suited for both tight spaces and urban environments. One of the notable features of this electric bike is its pedal assist technology, which can aid riders in reaching speeds of up to 15.5 miles per hour. This system allows for a more engaging riding experience, as it provides a boost when pedaling, reducing the effort required on longer rides or when tackling inclines. The maximum range of up to 28 miles on a single charge offers considerable freedom, allowing users to plan longer trips without the constant need to recharge. The Gotrax is equipped with a 36V lithium battery, which can be charged easily at home. The charging time is relatively short, making it convenient for daily commutes. Additionally, the bike features a sturdy aluminum frame and is designed with safety in mind, incorporating a front LED light for enhanced visibility during night rides. In terms of usage, the bike is user-friendly with a straightforward control system that includes an easy-to-read display. This display provides essential information, such as battery life and speed. The ergonomic design of the handlebars and seat enhances comfort, making it suitable for longer rides. In conclusion, the Gotrax 16-inch folding electric bike offers a blend of practicality and performance, catering to various cycling needs. Its compact design, pedal assist feature, and solid build make it a noteworthy option for those seeking an eco-friendly, efficient means of transportation. Whether for commuting, running errands, or leisurely rides, this electric bike presents a functional and enjoyable way to explore the outdoors and navigate urban landscapes.